Is it possible to make bread without yeast? Make sure to watch to the end to find out. To start, we are going to add 300 grams or 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl. After that, we will add 3 grams or 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we will add 3 grams or 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, for our only wet ingredient, we will add 270 grams or a cup and 3 tablespoons of buttermilk. Start mixing your dough together just until a ball is formed. If you enjoy making recipes like this at home, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Transfer to a work surface lightly dusted with flour and shape into a ball about 2 inches in height. Then place on a prepared baking sheet or a cast iron skillet. If you like bread just how it is, then make sure to leave a like on this video. Using a knife or a razor, score the top of your loaf, making whatever designs you would like. Then, in an oven preheated to 425 degrees, put your bread in uncovered and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Once done, transfer to a wire rack and leave to cool completely. If you enjoyed this recipe, then make sure to watch this video on how to make no-knead 3-ingredient bread. Enjoy!